Yo, what's going on, guys? MLTV here, and today we're doing the international medley. I am in the bathtub.
56.59 for the 100 metres breaststroke split by Petey. He has not only done the fastest 100 breaststroke split, he's done it by a second. That was incredible.
First place as always, baby! This isn't content. This is like the opposite of content. This is like how to lose subscribers on YouTube. Hey guys, it's MLTV here, and welcome to how to lose subscribers on YouTube. All you gotta do is play with the water polo in your bathtub and just flood the shit out of it. Alright, now we're gonna see how long I can hold my breath underwater for. We gotta wait for the water to come up. I lost a lot of water. I don't know where it went. I have no idea where all the water from the bathtub went. What's holding your breath in the bathtub without some damn bubbles? You already know. When you ain't got soap, you just use whatever soap you got. You get the bubbles flowing, you know what I mean? Look at all those bubbles. Who knows about bath bombs when you got body wash, baby? Look at all those bubbles. Could you have ever imagined that body wash would have produced so many bubbles? I think I'm just gonna get a super slippery body and 0 bubbles. Looks like all over the bathtub. Yep, that's not bubbles. Yep, it's super slippery now. I just fucked myself. Now I gotta hold my breath in some stupid ass water. Let's get that timer going and let's hit it. That wasn't even like 2 seconds. Alright, so I can try. I gotta hold my nose this time. Got so much soap in my nose. I think I'm done. I think that was a good video. Tune in next time. I think it's some fucking shit to do. Alright guys, so we got the aftermath of the bathtub video. The ceiling is soaked. I mean, yeah, the ceiling's fucking soaked everywhere. I guess the water went through the floor. The couch, the whole couch is moist. This jacket that was on the couch is fucking soaked. Like, wet. You can hear it squish. That's how wet it is. So yeah, overall, good video. If we get at least 3 likes and 2 subscribers, I think it'll have been worth it. Oh, look at this huge puddle of water on the floor. Can you guys see it? Just like that. You can see where it's shining, where they're reflecting on the water. Yeah, there's water all over the floor. I mean, so yeah, as I said, if we get at least 2 subscribers for how we fucked up the ceiling of our apartment, I think it'll be good, you know? I think it'll be worth it. So please subscribe and fuck.